Hello YouTube, once again rickadill here for another part of my collection. This will be part 13. So let's just get started. Here's what I have. This dodecahedron, maybe a gigaminx. I'm not too sure what those are called anymore. Sometimes they give the wrong names, but anyway, very heavy. This is my Little Pony Rubik's Cube. I haven't opened that one yet. I have that R2D2, and I have the other one, which I'll show you in a second. Oh, here it is. There you go, BB-8. The Mickey Mouse Soccer Challenge. That's my poster in the back, or one of the posters I have from the 80s. Rubik's Light. Once I finish straightening up my room, I'll probably go ahead and use that. A Rubik's Fourth Dimension. Still got it packaged, not sealed or anything though. It looks like it's been used, but still in very nice condition. A Toy Story 3x3, Toy Story 3 3x3. Transformer Optimus Prime Rubik's 2x2. Okay, let's see, I have a couple of mirror blocks. A gold one on white and a silver one on black. A sticker mod. Okay, a lot of these, again, I don't know what the names are. I have so many, I just can't remember all these names of some of them. But here's another one of those mirror block cubes, but all the colors are on each side, so it just makes it a 3x3 saw basically. Missing a couple of stickers, which I didn't notice. Probably somewhere on my bookshelf. And the bookshelf I'm doing now is my largest bookshelf. Another mirror blocks. They're not mirrors, but it's all with color still. Alright. Forget the name of this one. Looks really nice. Again, like I said, a lot of these I don't know the names of these, so if you know the names, good. But it goes that way, it moves this way, just the middle if you want. Rubik's Gundam Seed. A Christmas Cube. Vintage, made in Taiwan. I think these are like from 1981, 1982. I have another one that looks like this. It actually has a date on it. I thought this one did too. Void Cube. Oh, forget what this is called. Once you turn it, then you make the ball go in certain holes. We have this big puppy. These turn like this. Again, I don't know the name of this one. Probably some kind of clover or something. This is my first rainbow cube I ever got. from the Puzzle Store. Dinko's disc. I haven't played with it. Not by me though. But I do have about 5 of these. Some Rubik's clocks. I forget how to solve these. I did solve one a long time ago. Okay. I don't know what this one is, the name of it. No name on the box. It moves like that. I don't know if it's just face turning or what. Okay, let's see. I have these ones actually have names on them. So a cubic 3x3x9 first edition, I guess. Type C by Wit Eden. And I have this one, which is a super 3x3 by 4, I guess. This 3x3x3 on the box. 3x3x4, I guess. Forget what this one is called. The movements are pretty neat. It was really nice, too nice. There is that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, maybe 20 sides on this. I'm not sure. Didn't count them. Yeah, it's just, you just turn these and scramble them up. A Wacky Woolies 3x3. This is an old one, probably made by Wonderful Puzzler. I'm looking at the stickers and all that. Older puzzle. Butterflies, different butterflies. An M&M's cube. A Rubik's Hewlett-Packard cube. Rubik's right there. Oh. A Rubik's sealed Carnival cruise ship cube. A Gorton's Rubik's cube. Fisherman. This one is sealed too, I believe. Yeah, that one's still sealed also. Rubik's brand. This one, I don't know the name of it. Some flower. Probably to do with flowers. I'm afraid to move this thing. It looks very complex. I've not had time to solve any puzzles lately. I think this is a helicopter cube. Could be wrong. Alright, we have some more in boxes. This is a roadblock puzzle. with a super 3x3x8. Hey, it's one of my stickers. Oh, hologram blocks. There you go, 3x3x8. By Wheaton. This is a super 3x3x5. Again by Wheaton. Wheaton again, 2x2x7. Okay. I can straighten these out. There you go. Latch cube. You can only turn it in the directions of the circles, so I can turn it that way. Can't turn it that way. And I can't. As long as there's an arrow, I was told you can't turn. I can turn it this way because there's an arrow saying that I can turn it that way on that side. But I can't go that way. So there's no arrow. I can turn it that way. I forget what something is called, maybe a bubbleweed or something like that. I knew the name of that before. Now I don't remember. A super 3x3x3. An older cube with stickers. Color scheme seems to be off. That one, which I do not know the name of. Looks like a modified one. A cubic 3x3x9 2. Okay. A couple of 3x3x1. This is a 3x3, super 3x3x3. Super. Okay, this is a super 3x3x6, second one, part 2, I guess. All these by Wheaton seem to be very nice. I don't think I've ever had a problem with the Wheaton cube. A super 3x3x7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think this is a Hexamix. Haven't opened that one yet. McDonald's cube. With different things on the sides. Sundays, apple pies. You do the break today, which would be an old saying. McDonald's, I don't think they do that anymore. Big Mac. I just lost my train of thought. Forget what this one's called. It's a 3x3 though, but it has a little thing where you can actually throw a ball in there and try to make the ball come out, I think. That's how it works while you're solving it. This is a black 3x3x5, I guess. Was it a super one, maybe? So I have this one, which is a cubic 3x3x7, a different type of 3x3x7. The other one has had all small ones. It has 6 small ones and 1 regular size, I guess you could say. And we have this 3x3x4. What I keep for you. Moves very smoothly. A hamburger puzzle. I'm not quite sure what that does. And last one on this is a PG Company barrel cube. Still sealed. And it says made in Taiwan, Republic of China. Alright, so that is. Now I have about 100 more 3x3s on this shelf, but these are all just regular like 3x3s with picture cubes. Some are speed cubes, some are mid-sized cubes, some are just like companies, you know. So that would be kind of boring to go through 100 of those different ones, you know, like a 3x3x3 NBA cube, about 10 of those, a 3x3 NFL cube, you know, with 7 or 8 different teams, a 3x3 with a picture, name of a company, another name of a company, a 3x3x3 with another name of a company. See, just 3 or 4 of those, you're already getting tired of hearing that. You can imagine trying to listen to 100 of those. So this is why I didn't do that, all those 3x3x3s. But again, this is my the largest shelf. Again, of course, you could tell with all these cubes on them, like I said, it has about another 100 at least 3x3s. So thanks for watching, and you'll have a great day. And goodbye.